decimal chart. Then we have learned full means that full form of that some decimals. Then we have learned uh, mm,
Ishana, good morning,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone. Good morning to all of you once again. Now, Ishana will explain me. Ishana, what we have learned till now in the decimal chapter?
Like ma'am, we have learned that converting a fraction into decimal, then decimal into fraction, then the place value for the decimals, and the full forms like how to we have done the two rules to write the full form for decimals.
Okay. And
And
who will tell me next?
ma'am, we have learned the decimal
ma'am,
chart.
Kathan, yes, please explain.
Ma'am, numeric 2.
Numeric 2?
Numeric 2 words.
Okay. And what else we have learned in this chapter?
Decimal into fraction, fraction into decimal.
Okay. And what else we have learned?
Ma'am, point and end.
What is the point means?
In point, ma'am, we have to write the numbers separately. And in end, we have to write, we can write 110.
With the place values?
Yes, 110 thousands.
Okay. Arna, what is the place value after the decimal? First place value? Tens.
100.
Dhruvi, what is the next place value after the decimal? Yes, Maisha, tell me the second place value after the decimal?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Yes, Aheli. Third place value after the decimal?
Thousands.
Thousands. THS will come, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this chapter, till now, you all have learned what is decimal, how to read and write the decimals, like converting fractions into decimal, converting decimals into fractions, place value chart of decimal, right? Now today we will learn how to expand the form of decimal, expanded form of decimal. If the number is given in the decimal, how we have to expand that number. You have learned in the normal numbers also how to expand the number, right? The expanded form will be done on the basis of their places.
Yes.
For example, if it is a simple number 354, please write in the chat box how you will expand that number. You already learned how to expand the numbers. 354, how you will expand that number with the places.
Ma'am, 354, yeah.
54, take it at 54. I'll write in the chat box 354. 354, this is the number. Please expand this number. Eva, you are wrong. Mannat, yes,
Yes, and then I have
300
written.
plus 50 plus 4. Yes,
Ma'am, I don't
I
understand
will read. I will read. I'm reading everyone's. Advika, you have not used plus sign. You have used slash sign.
Ma'am, in my keyboard there is no plus sign, that's why I have used slash.
Okay, but don't get confused, right? Arush is right, Nishika is right, Tejasvi is right, And Eva,
Yes.
you have written your own number, right? 4,578. Yes, this is also expanded in right way.
Ma'am, is my right?
Arav is right. Dhruvi is right. Preet is right. Purv is right. 354. Now, children, I will switch off my this to stop receiving messages. Arav Palaskar is right.
Good morning,
Dhruvi
ma'am.
is right. Yes, good morning. Which child is this? Rishang, you have joined now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have joined just now?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have joined now. Ma'am, was Javal.
Okay. Jaival, please pay attention now. So as we are learning how to write the number in the expanded form, first we have learned the normal number, how to expand them. Please again, now you write your number, any number, 3-digit, 4-digit number, and please expand them. Please start writing in the chat box. I want everyone's 37 students are there. Any number, any 4-digit or 3-digit number, and please expand them in the normal way. The number should be without decimal. The number should be without decimal.
We can write any digit. No?
Yes, Devanshi?
Ma'am, I have wrote.
Yeah, I will read. I will give you 2 minutes time to write. After that, I will read everyone's. Please write how we expand the number. Please write fast. I want everyone's answer. You please write your number. Write it into the expanded form. I want everyone has to write. And then I
Ma'am
will
is fine.
and then
Right.
discuss.
Ma'am, I got the plus sign.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, is my right?
I will read, I said. Give me time. Give others also time to write. Okay, I will start count. I'll count till 3 and you have to stop. 1, 2, and the last is 3. I will switch off my message box. Okay. Now I will read those who have written. I will read everyone's answer. Initially, when I was asking 354, Mannat, Rishang, Maisha, they are right. Dhruvi is right, Advika, and then Ishana. After Ishana, Krishita, Pur, Tejasvi, Arna, they all are right. Preet is right. Then Eva has written 4,578. She has written right in the expanded. You also please open your chat box so that you can also see the messages of every child. Dhruvi, yes, Arav Palaskar is right. Brushika, Dhruvi has written 5,437 in the expanded form. Anubhavi 5,472. Anubhavi, I want to talk to you. Anubhavi, I got your message yesterday. I will send you, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Kathan 754. Arna 7,521. Eva 2,366. 5,438. 5,463. Trisha, right? 4,525. Tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Yes. Right, Pur, Krishita, Tejasvi, right, Arav, Palaskar, 1,564. Please write the number also first. You have only written the expanded form. Once you write this, please write first number and then expand it so that it will be easy for me to read which number is this. Yes, almost all are right. Yes, Vrushika is right, Eva, Vrishang, and Nishika. Okay, good. Now you children know how to expand the number, right? This is with the simple numbers. Now we will do the expanded form with the decimal numbers also. As you have learned the place value chart in the decimals also. Okay. Now I will explain you one example. See, expanded form of decimals we can do with three ways. You can apply any one way when it is being asked from you in the exams. You can write with any one way. But there are three ways to expand the decimal number. First with the place value form, second with the decimal form, and third with the fractional form. How many ways there are to expand the number? Expand the decimal number? Three ways. I'm going to write in the chat box. You please write in your notebooks. So whenever you revise this topic, you will able to recognize it. So I'm going to write it in the chat box. Expanded topic is expanded form of decimal.
Ma'am, we have to write it in notebook, no?
In the notebook. Expanded form of decimals we will do in three ways.
Ma'am,
So
what
we
should
write,
we write the heading?
yes,
What should we write the heading?
I'm writing everything in the chat box, Rishika. Please note, check. Heading is expanded form of decimals. Now, write decimals. Please mute your mic, everyone. The Rishika, mute your mic. Vrushika, yes, thank you. Decimal numbers can be expanded in three ways. In three ways. These are the first way is place value form. Place value form. Second is, for example, the number is, for example, for a short form of example, I write EX. For example, expand 3.84 in all the three ways. Are you all writing, children? Please tell me yes or no. Yes. For example, expand 3.84 in all the three ways. So with the first, please now no one will write. Rudra Chalrudra, now you will not write anything in the chat box. No one will write anything in the chat box. Decimal numbers can be expanded in three ways. First is place value form. Now we are taking one example, 3.84. How we write 3.84 with place value? Place value. So I'm writing it 3.84 equals to, with the place value we write 3 ones plus 8 tenths plus 400.
Ma'am, you are writing that we have to write.
Yes, whatever I'm writing, please you have to write in a notebook. Place value, with the place value method, 3.84 we write 3 ones plus 8 tenths and 4 hundredths.
Ma'am,
Next. Yes, Pranchu.
I have written it. 3 ones plus 8 tens plus 4 hundreds.
Yes. Next is same number we write with the next method, that is decimal form. decimal form, the same number we write 3.84
Excuse me, ma'am.
equals to, yes,
Ma'am, we can from this method, from this 2-3 method, we can write anyone.
anyone. 3.24 with the decimal method is 3 plus 0.8 plus 0.04. This is the decimal form of method, expanding the number. Third is fractional form. Fractional form of expanding the number. Same number, 3.84 T plus 8 upon 10 as the denominator. For divide line, I am using slash, but you have to use the upon line and then write 10 as the denominator. 3 plus 8 upon 10 plus 4 upon 10. Sorry, 4 upon 100.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in exam we can write anyone.
anyone. If it is being asked from you, write the number in the expanded form, you can write with the anyone method. So this is the decimal form, place value form, and the fractional form of expanding the decimal number. Have you written, everyone?
The practice sheet.
Yes, ma'am, done.
We want to write the expanded form, so we can write any of them.
Anyone.
Yeah.
When I give you practice sheet, then also you can write with any one method. Okay.
Ma'am, the question in exam can come like that also, na, that like the decimal, write the decimal on the decimal form of expanded. So
Yeah, it can come. It can come. It can come in this way also. They can particularly ask also that expand this number with the decimal form method. Expand the number with the fractional form method.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this fractional form of decimal.
Fractional form is also with the same value, with the same
Yes,
place
ma'am, I
value.
also don't understand the fixed.
3 plus, what is the place value of 8? Eva and Ishana, what is the place value of 8? 10.
Tenth.
So what will come as a denominator?
10.
What is the place value of 4?
Hundreds.
100.
What will come as a denominator?
100. Okay. So
100.
it is like that.
And decimals, yes.
In the fraction as a denominator, you will write with the place value. Yes, Advika. So you all copied till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Very good. Now,
ma'am.
yes.
No, ma'am.
Can you explain the fractional form once again?
Yes. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Nishika.
Yeah. Nishika, if you have completed, it's okay. Good. Now listen to me. You want to listen the fractional form again, right?
Yes.
Nishika, you give me one example. Any number with a decimal.
Ma'am, 4.67.
4.67. So, just a minute. What is the place value of 4? You said 4.67, not 67. Read it at single digit wise. So you said 4.67. What is the place value of 4?
Ma'am, once.
So 4 will come alone? No
Yes.
zeros? Yes.
Yes.
So now when we are expanding, the number with sign will come?
Ma'am, plus.
Plus. Now what is the place value of 6?
Ma'am, the place value of 6 is tenths.
So 6 upon 10 or 100?
Ma'am, tenths.
10. So it will come 10. Then again plus sign.
Yes.
Then what will come next?
Ma'am, then next is 7.
What will be the denominator?
Ma'am, 100.
Now you understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you one video on this.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Preet.
Ma'am, can you write the second and third one again because some network issues? I was out of the meeting.
Okay. Can anyone
Ma'am.
help Preet to copy
Yes,
down the
ma'am.
previous messages?
Ma'am, I can help. I will.
Yes, Trisha. Please copy my previous second and third, and so that Preet will write.
Ma'am, in the chat box, you have to give examples of the 3 method.
No. Now first you have to see the video. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen this carefully.
Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll have a look on the expanded form of decimals. So let's get started. Here we have the decimal number 58.925. First, let us see the places of digits in the decimal number. See, 8 is in ones place. 5 is in tens place. Okay, coming to the decimal part, 9 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. 5 is in thousands place, right? Now, let us write the expanded form. See, 5 is in tens place, right? So, 5 into 10 plus 8 is in ones place, right? So, 8 into 1 plus 9 is in tens place, right? So, 9 into 1 by 10 plus 2 is in hundreds place. So, 2 into 1 by 100 plus 5 is in thousands place, right? So, 5 into 1 by 1000. Okay. Now, 5 tens are 50 plus 8 plus 9 into 1 by 10. So, it's 9 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100. It's 2 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. So, it's 5 by 1000.
See children, if you skip the first line also, you can write directly also. Okay? The way I have explained you just now. Am I clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is the fraction one, na?
Yes, this is the fractional
Fraction
one.
form.
Yes.
Number 58.925.
Yes. Who said excuse me?
Ma'am, you have to write this.
Chat box like 9 ones and like that I can do.
We have to
Yes,
write
Devanshi.
this.
Wait a minute. Yes, Devanshi.
Ma'am, I was saying that you have written in chat box that 3 ones plus 8 tens plus 4 hundreds, and in that way I can write. Or
Yes, I told you, Devanshi, there are 3 ways. You can write any one way of expanding the number. But in question, if they are particularly telling you, write with the fractional form only, then you apply the particular method only. Am I clear now? Yes, Dhruvi.
Ma'am, in this it is written 5 multiplied by 10 and so on, so on. So we can write
because
directly.
you can
that
write
50
direct
plus
also.
8
And if you
plus.
want to write expand in this way, you can expand in this way also. Because what is the
Okay, ma'am.
place value of 5 here? 10. 10 times 5. Right? 5 into
Okay,
10.
let us go to other example. Here we have the decimal number 125.905.
Now do
Let
one
us see
thing,
the places.
children. Please write these examples in your notebook. Please write these examples in your notebook with the expanded form method and with the fractional form.
First, 5 is in ones place,
Keep
2
on
is in
writing
tens
this.
place, 1 is in hundreds place. Okay, coming to the decimal part, 9 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place.
Children, if you have remember in grade 4, we have learned when 0 will come, how we will write it into the expanded form. Please pay attention here.
5 is in thousands place. Let us write. So, 1 is in hundreds place, right? 100 plus 2 is in tens place.
See, in this situation, we are writing directly. So, please pay attention here.
Plus 5 is in ones place. So, 5 plus 9 is in tens place. So, 9 by 10 plus 0 is in hundreds place. So, 0 into anything is 0, right? So, we need not to write. 5.
So, in this case, if we find 0, we skip 0, we will not write. But when you write 5, the denominator of the 5 will change. The place value of the 5 will be the same. So, please don't think if you skip 0 and you write the denominator 100 with the 5, no, that will be wrong. If you are skipping the place value of 0, then with the 5, the place value of the 5 will only come. Please pay attention here. This is very much important.
5 is in thousands place. So, 5 by 1000.
Now you can see here, the value of the hundreds place is skipped and the thousands place will remain the same.
I think
Okay, this is the expanded form.
Yes?
We have learned on this in the
Renu ma'am.
We have learned in grade 4 all this.
Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am. All the 3 we have to write in notebook with
No, only the fractional form.
Okay.
Renu ma'am, can I write all 3?
It's your choice. If you will able to write in the given time. Yes, Maisha.
Ma'am, if we have to complete it now, or we can complete
Now,
after now.
Now.
Okay.
Mute your mics, everyone.
Of 125.905. Now let us go to third example. Here we have the decimal number 696.018. First write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, coming to the decimal part, 0 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, and 8 is in thousands place, right? Now write the expanded form. So, 600 plus 90 plus 6 plus, no need to write of 0. Now, 1 by 100 plus 8 is in thousands place, right? So, 8 by 1000. Okay, this is the expanded form of the number 696.018. Okay, let us go to last example. Here we have the decimal number 1.1069. Okay, 1 is in ones place. Okay, now coming to the decimal part, this 1 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place, 9 is in 10,000s place, right? Now write the expanded form. 1 plus, see here, 1 is in tens place row. So 1 by 10 plus, no need of write 0. 6 is in thousands place. So 6 by 1000 plus 9 is in 10,000s place. So 9 by 10,000.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
It's Renu ma'am. Can we write it in normal form?
Write it in the expanded form.
Ma'am,
Fractional form.
And this all are fraction form only, na?
See, yeah, all are in the fractional form. See, I'll give you one thing to remember, that when nothing is given in the question, they are telling you write it in the expanded form. Always use the fractional form. Clear now? Okay. And when it is particularly given that which form you have to apply, then you have to do with that form. But
Renu ma'am,
when
what
something
is the first question? First question.
Yes, I will.
Renu ma'am. Can I see? I know. 58.925. Renu
Children,
Punjabi
when you
ma'am.
speak all together, it will be a problem for me and for a problem for you also. Yes, Trisha, what you were saying? Wait a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is
Trisha?
the first question? What is the first
I
question
will.
in the
Yes, I will scroll it and then you're able to write. Yes, Advika, what is the next?
Ma'am, second question.
Yes, Dhruvi, what is your problem?
Ma'am, if the number is 125.905, so we can write 9 upon 10 plus 0 upon 100. We can write
You
or we
skip
have to
zero,
skip.
better. It will, zero has no value, so please skip the zero and write the next place value.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Maisha.
I by mistakenly wrote the zero space value. So,
You please skip the zero value.
okay.
Zero place
Ma'am,
value. Okay.
Ma'am, I was saying that when you start the decimal chapter, I already had learned this chapter before.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have written all 4.
Okay, thank you. Now, this we have learned how to write the expanded form, okay, of the given number. Now, when expanded form is given to you, how you will write it in the short form? This is the short form is given to you. You are writing into the expanded. Chota given hai, bada karke likh rahe hain. Right? Now, if the expanded form is given to you, how you will write it into the short form? Am I clear?
Ma'am, presentation is not there.
Yes?
Ma'am, it's there.
The presentation is not there.
Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. I will again start.
It's there, ma'am.
Now it's there. Children, my presentation is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It was there before also.
Okay, thank you. So we have done today the expanded form of decimals. After expanded form, if expanded form is given to you and being asked that write it into the short form, that also we will learn. So please write down fast so that I will teach you how to write into the short form.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, can you show the fourth one?
Fourth, okay.
Ma'am, complete.
Dhruvi, now you able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the first one, please?
Please, you are still on first one.
Ma'am, I will tell her what's the first one.
Yeah, you please write in the chat box, Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please complete it fast so that we will learn how to write in the short form also.
Ma'am, I have finished.
You please note down the numbers so later on you will complete it. Okay? I stop my presenting now. Please write the numbers so that later on you will complete this. Advika and Maisha, please switch off your raising hand button. Pranshu, please switch off it. Okay, now we are going to learn how to write it into the short form. No one will leave the class. There's still time. So please be in class. I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am, so now we will learn how to write in short form.
Yes. When expanded form is given to you, how you will write into the short form.
Ma'am, question.
Yeah, I will give. So this is the expanded form you have already done. These are the other examples. But see.
Ma'am, we should write the notebook.
Yes, you have to write in the notebook. Write as decimals. Means this is the fractional given to you, the expanded form of fraction.
Ma'am, can I continue from there as
Yeah, from
right as the
down only write the next question. Write as decimals. The question can come as write as decimals. Write in short form. Write in standard form. There are 3 ways of asking the question. Answer will be same. Write as decimals, write in short form, or write as a standard form. So it is 20 plus 9 plus 4 upon 10 plus 1 upon 100. Am I audible to everyone, children?
Yes, ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Who will give me the answer? Please tell your name first.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes, Dhruvi, please tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 29.29.401.
0 will come?
41.
Yeah, because after 10 place is 100 place.
Yes, if
So 0 will not come.
come, then 1000 will come. 1 upon 1000 will come.
Who is saying 1 upon 1000?
I'm saying if it will be there, so 1
Yeah,
upon
that.
1000 will get.
Yes. Please write it in your notebook. 29. Next is 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 3 upon 1000. You have to pay attention here. This is
Ma'am, can I say?
directly 1000 is given here. Who wants to
Can I
give me
say?
the answer of this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, me, Eva.
Eva. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 1, 1.
You say
Three,
before the
one.
fractional, before the fraction, you have to say the complete number together. 100.
113.03.
Yes, very good. Can you please explain us why you have added after the decimal, you have put it 0, 0 and then 3?
Ma'am, because 1000 is there. First it come tens, then 100, then 1000.
Yeah, 2 places are missing here. So in that missing
Yes.
places, we have to write 0. Devanshi, you are the new student. You were not there in grade 4. You please pay attention here. Have you understood this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Devanshi and Prishant, you both are new to this concept. Please, have you paid attention here?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood both of you?
How it came through.
Ma'am,
but
can you?
Please mute your mic, Anubhavi, please. If I'm talking to one child, you have to please keep your mics off. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, first I did not understand that 3 will come, but then I understand that 3 will also come.
Yeah, after the decimal 3 also will come because you are writing the decimal place values. Okay, and then in 3 there is directly 1000. So 2 places, tens and 100 is missing. So in that place we will write 2 zeros first before 3. Have you understood now, Devanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Vrishang, have you understood? Advika, please keep this mobile phone down.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, Vrishang?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, next can I tell?
Wait a minute first.
Okay, ma'am.
Is this visible, the same screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. Can you show the first one?
Okay,
can I
I will
say-
show you the first one. Please write it fast. Write fast in your notebooks.
Ma'am, the Steven, can I tell Ishana?
Wait a minute, Ishana. Let everyone complete till A and B.
Ma'am, after Ishana, can I say?
I will tell the child name.
Ma'am, can you show the C1?
Children, if you ask like this, I will not give you chance. Please wait for your turn. And let everyone complete this. Second one is this. And the C1 is.
Good morning, Swati ma'am. And for what? Why all of a sudden you want to disturb everyone?
What happened, Swati ma'am?
Somebody said good morning, Swati ma'am.
Please, children.
Why disturbing all of a sudden others? I don't understand.
So the third one is 23 plus 2 upon 10 plus 6 upon 1000. Please write answer in the chat box. Everyone, I will see to it in the chat box.
Ma'am, how come here come 23? It should be like 20 plus 3 plus 2, 10 plus 6.
Trisha, wait. Trisha, first you have to wait and then speak. Yes, what you want to tell me, Trisha? Your mic is off. Trisha, your mic is off.
Ma'am, I'm asking that here it is written 23.210 6,000. Now, how come it can be 23 here?
It is any number. It can
In the
be
question
23
number
plus
3.
2 upon 10 plus 6 upon 1000. How you
No,
will
ma'am,
write
I'm not.
standard form?
Ma'am, but it is not like this. 20 plus 3 plus 210.
And 23 before the decimal you will write. Just a minute. Yeah, you can write it in the 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 plus 2 upon 10. You can write in this way. Okay? Understood now? So 20 plus 3 and then it is plus 2 upon 10 and 6 upon 1000. So please write this in the chat box how you will write it into the decimal form. Yes, Ahil is right, Devanshi is right, Eva is right, Anubhavi is right, Preet is right. Some Preet before you have done wrong, so now you are right. Dhruvi right, because 100 place is missing, so we write 0 at the 100 place. Your concept is clear till here, everyone? Yes. Now, please complete this D1, which is very, very important. 7 upon 10. Nothing is given in the...
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait a minute. You can observe here, nothing is given in the whole number part. All part is with the fractional part. Means you have to identify that all will come after the decimal. Nothing is there before the decimal.
From 0.
So, yes, I need...
Ma'am, Nishita.
Arush. Arush, you are there in the class?
Will come. 0 will come.
Who is saying this? Wait for the other child, my dear. Wait for your friends. Yes, Arav is giving right answer. Please write answer in the chat box. I will check there. Very good, Jaival, Dhruvi. Good. Ishana, Tejaswi, Advika.
Ma'am, your screen has gone.
Yeah, I stopped.
Oh, ma'am. So whenever there is nothing, ma'am, if means there is no this side number only.
What is this side and that side? You have learned there are two parts of decimal numbers. One is the whole number part and one is the decimal part. If nothing is there in the whole number part, you write 0.
Ma'am, only 1 0 or
One zero.
I had the same question.
Now you understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all children
Yes, ma'am.
understood how to write the decimal numbers into the expanded
Yes,
form
ma'am.
and how to write in the short form.
Ma'am, today I will send you. Ma'am, today I will send you the mail of recording to send.
Yes. So, are you all clear with today's topic, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
On the
ma'am.
basis of the topic, I'm going to send you the worksheet today. Please complete it and send me today itself.
Okay,
Am I
ma'am.
clear to everyone now?
Yes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, you are getting worksheets.
Please wait.
Ma'am.